hosting a virtual recruitment event. Each April, the Firemen's Association of the State of New York asks departments across the state to host open house events as part of an initiative called Recruit New York. And each year, hundreds of departments step up to answer the call during Recruit New York weekend. FASNY provides all the promotional tools, tips, and tricks for a successful open house event. There are many ways to participate, including in a virtual setting. And that's what we're here to talk about today, as FASNY presents the steps to virtual success in this video. So, let's get started. Step 1. Assemble a crew. Create a Recruit New York committee that includes some tech and social media savvy folks familiar with the platforms like Zoom and Facebook. You'll also need someone who can articulate the benefits of the volunteer fire service, someone comfortable on camera, maybe even someone with public relations experience. These are just some suggestions. The key is to have as many different areas of expertise represented as possible involved with the project. Step 2. Facebook Live and video. As you know, the public loves a good live fire or vehicle extrication demonstration. You can do the same in a virtual setting with Facebook Live. Facebook Live is an easy-to-use platform for what is called live streaming. Just as it sounds, this is a live broadcast that can be viewed by anyone on Facebook. Best of all, it doesn't require an expert in cinematography. Facebook makes it easy to live stream any event with a simple tap of a button from your smartphone. Video content is extremely important for any virtual event, and there are several ways to go about collecting it with or without Facebook Live. For example, you may want to offer a live or recorded tour of the firehouse or your newest apparatus. We recommend you tap the talent of a well-spoken member who's comfortable on camera to capture this content. Do several dry runs and use these outtake clips to preview the video on your website and social media page. Step 3. Zoom Q&A. Many of us have become familiar with the Zoom platform recently. Recruit New York is a great opportunity to utilize this virtual meeting software that you can easily download, install, and create an account on. Essentially, Zoom allows users from any location to gather in one virtual place. In this case, it allows you to bring together your members with the public. Invite your community to a live Q&A session with department members who can help introduce them to the ins and outs of the volunteer fire service. We recommend getting a good cross-section of the department, men, women, new and old. Have some questions prepared, or check out our FAQ sheet we've developed for timely concerns and opportunities like: why volunteer? Is it safe? What is a typical day at the firehouse like? How do you find time to volunteer? How do I join? You might also use the option to share your screen to show some of the video you've created or other materials found at RecruitNY.org. Well, since video is such an important part of the virtual experience, it's recommended you record the Zoom conversation as well so you can share it on your social media channels afterwards. You'll need to get people to the Q&A, so set a meeting in the Zoom app. Create a link and promote it on your website, Facebook page, or other social media. We recommend adding all your video assets and links to your website so that you can send the public there from the promotional flyers, posters, and yard signs available for download at RecruitNY.org. Step 4. Promotion online and in the community. Social media is your #1 weapon in the battle for attention. Create events for your live sessions and Zoom Q&A on Facebook and urge your members to share those events on their personal pages. To create an event, simply log on to your department's page, find the Create box, and select Event. RecruitNY.org has tons of resources to help with this, including social media graphics, a companion tip sheet for this video, and a press release template that will help you get media attention. Invite local media to promote your event with a Firefighter for a Day segment, or interview with your recruitment officer or leadership. Jump on local news websites and find event submission forms or emails. Remember to collect all your content and links together on your website so you can send the public to a single place from the customizable flyers, posters, and yard signs available for download at RecruitNY.org. Most important step, sign up now. Help FASNY put together a united front as we do a public relations blitz across the state and capture the attention of recruits in your community. Thanks to our growing list of participating departments at RecruitNY.org, we reach millions through media coverage each year. This is why you need to go to RecruitNY.org and sign up now. Even if you don't host an open house event, this is an opportunity to make your community aware that you need volunteers. So sign up now at RecruitNY.org and add your name to the list.